In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the hood release handle and cable on your GMC K1500. This is going to run from the inside of the cab to the front. Let's get started. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws for the lower light assembly. Remove all 4 screws and pull the assembly out. Remove the bulbs from the fixture. To do this, push down on the gray tab, twist, do this on both bulbs, and repeat this process on the other side. Using a 7mm socket, remove the 5 screws for the front grille. There's going to be 4 on top. This one's located in the front. One more on the other side. And one more on top. There's one more right in the middle of the grille. Remove all 5 screws. Inside of the lower headlight, you're going to find a tab. We're going to pull up on this and pull the grille forward, popping it out of that tab. Do the same thing on the other side. There's one more in the middle. Push down on this tab and pull out on the grille. With all of the tabs unclicked, pull out on the bottom of the grille. On either side, we're going to have these bulb connectors for the reflectors. Give them a 1/4 twist and remove them. Do this on both sides. Remove the grille. We're going to remove the hood latch cable. To do this, we're going to open this clip using a flat blade screwdriver. You're going to need to get the cable down and under the first rear tab. Then open up the back locking tab and slide the cable out. Just like that. So this rear tab right here, you need to get the cable in front of this rear tab, and then you open this front one right here and the cable will come right through that joint. Then it'll clip right back in and it'll sit behind again. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pop the cable out of the bracket. We're just going to put it right here, give it a small pop, pull it out. There's a small clip holding our cable right here. We're going to pull that off. We're going to pull the metal tab off of the cable. If you want, you could just push the cable in towards it, but we're going to leave this right on top to install onto our new cable. The cable running back to the vehicle, we're going to have 2 of these plastic stays right here. We're going to use a right angle pick and open that up. Then we're able to pull the cable out. There's one more of these located right behind the fuse box, right here. Just pop that one open as well, pull the cable out. There should be 3 Phillips head screws in this bottom sill plate. Ours are missing. If you have them, go ahead and remove them now. And then pull up and remove the sill plate. We're going to remove the kick panel. To do this, we're going to pull it up and over the weather strip and push it straight back. Work it out and around. We popped off this clip right here, and this is an alignment tab. Using a T40 bit, remove the screw for the hood release handle. Remove the screw, and we can pull our handle off. We're going to remove the cable from this handle. Pull the cable out of the handle, twist it down, and it'll pop out. We're going to have to push on 2 tabs to remove the cable from the handle. And use a right angle pick, push on the back one, pull the cable slightly, push on the other one, pull the handle off of the cable. We have the hood latch end of the new cable. We're going to tie that to the cable we took off the handle in the car. We have our two ends taped together. And you're going to follow this cable up to the firewall. It's pretty hard to see, but right to the left of this fuse box, you're going to see the grommet for the hood latch cable. We're going to push that grommet towards the motor. We want to push it out of the firewall. We're going to use a long-handled tool and push it through the firewall. All right, we have our grommet pushed through the wall. Now we can go into our engine bay and we're gonna pull our cable from the engine side. Start pulling the cable, fishing the new wire up and through. I'm gonna cut the grommet off of the old cable to allow it to fish through. Pull the old grommet off. Now it'll easily pass through the front. Once you have the cable fished through this front support, we can remove the tape from the old cable. We can remove all the tape and get rid of our old cable. Install the cable into that small clip in the front, push it down into place. It'll click in, and we can install the plastic into the bracket. Install the small clip onto the cable, and we can put this on the front support. Install the cable into the two plastic stays. Slide the grommet on the new cable all the way up to the firewall. Get it fully seated into the firewall. Install the cable into the handle. There's this little alignment tab that's going to line up. Line it up. Get it nice and snug. Test the cable, make sure it works. You'll hear the hood release in the front. Install the kick plate. Get the clips in place. Install the sill plate. Install the 3 Phillips head screws. Install the grill. There's going to be these tabs on the bottom that are going to line up. Push it into place. It should clip in. Install the side marker bulb. You're going to put it in and then twist it clockwise till it clicks in. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the screws for the grill. And there's one right through the middle of the grill. Install the bulbs. Click them into place. Install the lower fixture and get all 4 screws started. Snug them all down. Do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.